season is in full swing, and if you're a mango lover, how can you miss out on this iconic recipe straight from Pune, the Mango Mastani. So let's get started. It's a very straightforward recipe. All you have to do is add all the ingredients into the blender jar and blend away. Here I have taken some good quality Alfonso mangoes and I have chopped them into cubes. Let's add this to the blender. I'm adding 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, some milk, now as I said, simply blend it. I'm going to assemble it in mason jars. Just watch me carefully as I assemble it. First goes in the thick mango shake. Let's add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Similarly, in the other jar. Let's add some tutti frutti for color. Similarly, in the other jar. Again, add the thick mango shake. Top up with another scoop of fresh vanilla ice cream. Some more tutti frutti. Generous garnish of almond flakes. Let's top it up with some glazed cherry. And our mango-licious Mastani is ready to be served. Do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how it turned out. Happy summers!